Welcome to JoLee Living. In this episode, we will catch an amazing sunrise at Cape Spear, do a photography tour along the Irish Loop, and go for an amazing paddle on Trinity Bay. Middle Cove and Cape Spear are only a few miles from St. John's, and we were lucky enough to catch both at sunrise. We are at Cape Spear, just outside of St. John's, Newfoundland, the farthest east point on our journey. What is it, July 8th, and what a trip it has been so far. One of our favorite parts of Middle Cove Beach, besides the amazing setting, is listening to the sound of the pebbles with the wave action. We were fortunate to be able to get out for a day with Maurice Fitzgerald of Far East Photography. We did the Irish Loop tour and spent most of the day along the southern Avalon coast between St. Vincent's Beach and Cape Race, with a stop in Ferryland on the way back to town.
When you start to frame up a shot. Right, so our shutters.
Mo was born and raised in St. John's. He has been a full-time working photographer since 2004. He shoots a variety of subjects for a long list of commercial clients, as well as offering private photography tours. Mo's first love was landscape photography, and that is evident the first time you step out of the car. He is super friendly and is very good at providing useful tips and suggestions for those like us who are not professional photographers. Rebecca has a great eye and was hoping to further her understanding of the craft. This goal was met and surpassed. We thank you so much, Mo, and hope to go out with you again someday. I will put a link to his website in the description below. We are now leaving the St. John's area and working our way towards the Bonavista Peninsula. First, we will spend a couple of nights at Bellevue Beach. The first evening was calm and beautiful. We even saw a minke whale while we were strolling along the beach. Our campsite was great. It was on the bay side. The next day, we checked out the town of Chance Cove and then rode our bikes from the campground to the town of Bellevue. It is yet another beautiful outport town. One of the things I had really been looking forward to was getting to paddle along the steep cliffs towards Chance Cove, and as luck would have it, on our last day, we had mostly calm winds during a slack tide period. Paddling at Bellevue Beach in Trinity Bay. Say hi.
Hi.
Finally, the wind backed off. Before my Pompeii disease was more noticeable, I would have been less concerned about a bit of wind and mild tides, but I have to plan my playtime for a safe, successful outcomes. See that on video? Ton of cake. By the truck. Oh, they're done. We hope you will join us for part 9 of our Newfoundland series when we explore the Bonavista Peninsula. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps our channel grow. Thank you, and see you next time.